These are the dates of our free online mathematics workshop this February 2026 is on February 10 and February 24, which is on Tuesday in Singapore, and Perth, the time is 9 a.m. If you are in Seoul or Tokyo, the time is 10 a.m. If you're in Sydney, it's 12 p.m. If you're in Los Angeles, it will be on Monday, not on Tuesday. It's February 9 and February 23rd. It's 5 p.m. If you're in New York, the time is 8 p.m. on Monday. No workshop on February 16 and 17. All these workshops are on Monday or Tuesday. We are going to answer IB Mathematics past paper during the workshop. You can ask and we can discuss a lot of IB Mathematics question. I have a lot of IB past papers. For this workshop, we are going to do the 2020 November IBHL past paper, paper 1. Doing past paper is a very good way to study mathematics. It's much better than memorizing formulas or reading the books. You can pick a difficult question from past paper and try to work on it open book first. Then as you grow more confident, you can do it closed book. Then you can record your time for answering that particular question. For example, you can try this question. This is question 4 from 2020. No, this is question 6. Question 6 from 2020 November paper 1 is about trigonometry and quadratic equation. You see there, then you have x equals to sine theta and x equals to cosine theta, so it's related to trigonometry a bit. This question is worth 4 marks. The whole paper 1 is 100 marks and you're supposed to finish the whole paper in 2 hours, which means you must finish this question in around 4.8 minutes. It's better if you can do less than that. Can you do it in less than 4.8 minutes? You can try now if you like. You can pause. This is the question. Yeah. Pause the video if you need to. Then this is the formula. And this is the answer key. After you finish your question, you can check. After finish answering the question, you can check this answer key. Do you get it right? Ask the question. If you can do the question, that's good. If you can do it in less than 6 minutes, in less than 4.8 minutes, that's very good. Yeah. If you cannot do, then you should join my workshop. We are going to use Zoom for the workshop. My Zoom link is in the description. The meeting number is 337-275-3433. You can also scan this QR code to get the Zoom link. During the workshop, we are going to use an online whiteboard called Miro. I have put the link in the description also. This is the QR code for the online whiteboard. The Miro online whiteboard is very interactive. You can write or draw your answer there. Download and install it on your iPad or tablet or phone. Try to write something on my whiteboard. Please book your seat by email. This is my email address, cecilsie@gmail.com, or you can book your seat by sending me WhatsApp message 65, that's the Singapore country code, 9628-1754. Please join the workshop if you can. It's online and it's free.